Are you ready to make 2025 your most productive year yet? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 free AI tools you can start using right now to save time, work smarter, and maybe even blow your friends' minds. Let's dive right in. 1. ChatGPT, your AI brainstorming partner. First up is ChatGPT, the ultimate AI assistant by OpenAI. Whether you're writing a blog, preparing for an exam, building a resume, or even planning a vacation, just type in your thoughts, and ChatGPT will do the rest. It's like having an expert in every field, right in your pocket. 2. Canva AI, design anything, no skills needed. Design like a pro, even if you've never designed anything before. Canva's AI tools can remove backgrounds, generate stunning templates, suggest visuals, and even write your content. Perfect for students, marketers, content creators, and anyone who wants to impress, without stress. 3. Grammarly, your AI writing coach. Writing emails, assignments, or messages. Grammarly does much more than just correct spelling. It corrects grammar, improves tone, enhances clarity, and keeps your writing sharp. It's like having a professional editor working quietly in the background, and yes, it's free. 4. Pictory, turn text into videos instantly. Got a blog post, script, or idea? Pictory turns your text into professional quality videos within minutes. You don't need editing skills or expensive software. Just paste, pick a style, and boom, your content is ready for YouTube, Instagram, or Reels. 5. Notion AI, smart productivity for smarter people. Last but not least, Notion AI. Take notes, plan your day, summarize tasks, and even auto-write project outlines, all in one place. If you're a student, a project leader, or just trying to stay organized, this tool is a total game changer. These AI tools aren't just cool, they're free, powerful, and designed to make your life easier in 2025. So why not start using them today? Hit that like button, subscribe for more AI discoveries, and drop a comment with your favorite tool.